different programming languages and their uses? Java, used by millions, is a versatile language ideal for developing platform-independent internet applications. Python's simple syntax and readability make it a popular choice for beginners and for applications in data analysis. C++ is a powerhouse language used in software that requires high performance like games or operating systems. JavaScript is the backbone of dynamic and interactive elements on your favorite websites. Swift is Apple's chosen language for iOS and OS X applications, known for its speed and efficiency. PHP is a server-side scripting language primarily used in web development for dynamic web pages. Ruby is known for its simplicity and readability, often used for web application frameworks like Ruby on Rails. SQL is the standard language for managing and manipulating databases. Choosing a language depends on the task, the platform, performance requirements, and personal preference. With so many languages, the power of programming is at your fingertips. What will you create?